Hey, James. Hey, y'all. Well, what we're going to do today, these strawberry pots, we are going to take them out to the greenhouse and we're going to let them warm up for a few days. And then we're going to start transplanting them into cups and into the strawberry towers. We're going to take all these and those pots over there. We'll come back when we're done getting them in the greenhouse and we'll give you a look. Okay, y'all, what I'm doing now, if you're looking there, we've got our strawberry pots in the greenhouse. And what we've done, we've cleaned a lot of the dead out of it that was insulating it all winter long. So now that they're in the greenhouse, that can be removed. And we've got nice, healthy shoots up in here.
Sorry, I was looking at something else.
That's okay. So I can show you over here. All this died over the fall and winter, but that helped protect the plants. So you don't have to be gentle about it. These are very hardy plants. So just take out most of the dead. But look how healthy that is. And in a few days, those will start sprouting up more. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take them out of the pots and we're going to put them in these cups to divide them. Look how healthy that is. Very nice. These are all new leaves. And that's a great sign that winter is practically over and spring will soon be here.
I've cleaned all the dead. There wasn't much in there.
Oh yeah, there's a lot in there yet.
Compared to what was, look on the ground what she's cleaned out of here.
Well, that's out of all the pots.
Right, that's what I'm saying. That's a lot of dead.
But the strawberries are the first thing we do every spring. So we'll get those divided, keep what we're going to keep, and then sell what we're not going to keep. So last year we sold probably 300 plants. And that's what helps fund the garden.
Yep, that's what buys our soil.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna venture off here for a second. Look at my buds on my pear trees. After I run into it. They ain't budded quite full yet. I hope they don't come out any more than what they already have. Didn't have pears last year because they budded and then froze. So, oh, she done took it away.
All right, guys. Now, what else we have in here? I went ahead and brought the mint in. We love mint tea. And look what we got here. Under the dead leaves.
Okay, I got it.
So I want to get that going.
I'll tell you what, for it to be so cold outside, just a step in here is a 20-degree difference already.
Oh, definitely. It's warmer in here. So we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, y'all. We are on our way to Menards, our local, I guess, hardware store. They've got a bunch of stuff there. James, you could have told me outside that my hair was blowing all over the place.
It wouldn't have done no good. The wind would whip around the corners of man.
I look like a wild woman. But anyhow, I was just going through my seeds and realized I'm out of brassica seeds, which that never happens. So we're going to go pick some up and we're going to take you along, let you see the varieties that they have. So we'll see you in a minute. Well, here we are. This is our local Menards.
Or everything store.
Yeah, we get a lot of stuff here. A lot of gardening supplies. This place is huge. They even carry grocery items in here. But we'll see you inside. Look here, guys. They've got seeds. 10 packs for $1. And we use these. So I'm going to be picking up some broccoli and cauliflower. We'll be back.
So I can hide like this.
You're hiding?
Yeah, color won't take that. I don't care what I do. It won't.
Just keep your neck warm. Okay, guys, we're done at Menards, and we got a good deal on seeds. We ended up buying 70 packs.
I didn't know you had that many.
That's all right.
Hey.
We'll show you what we got when we get home.
10 cents a pack? Why not?
Right. Okay, bye. Okay, y'all, this is the seed packets we ended up getting today. There is 74 packs here. And everyone knows how I love my Cosmos and my Shasta daisies. But look at all these carrots. That's going to be enough for 2 harvests. So, and here's something I haven't grown yet. It's the Serrano chilies. So we'll see how that goes. Now, here's the brassicas I was able to get today. Cauliflower and broccoli, cabbage. And I got 2 different, oh no I didn't. I got 1 kind of broccoli. So the only thing I wasn't able to get is the Brussels sprouts. So I will have to order them online. So, but there it is. I can't wait. Welcome back, y'all. Well, with us being so busy today, I decided to put on a healthy meal for tomorrow. Now this, with being in the middle of cold season and flu season, this is perfect on a cool day. Now I've got chicken breast in here. I've got a ton of carrots and fresh garlic from out of the garden and celery and onions. I've also got peppercorns in here and parsley from out of the garden. This is going to make a good meal. With that being said, I hope y'all have a good day.